Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on creating animated story videos using AI. In this video, we will explore the step-by-step process of leveraging AI technologies to bring your storytelling to life through captivating animations. So, let's get started. First step: scripting and storyboarding. The first step in creating an animated story video is to develop a compelling script and storyboard. We'll ask ChatGPT to write a story for us. Let's input this prompt. Write a story about a young girl with magical power. Second step: leveraging AI animation tools. Here comes the exciting part: using AI animation tools to create stunning visuals. In this tutorial, we'll use artflow.ai to generate our visuals. First thing is to sign up if you don't have an account. After signing up, click on Image Studio to create our visuals. We'll copy each line of text from our storyboard generated by ChatGPT to create images for our video. Copy and paste text here, then choose 3:2 frame. Click here to change the style. For this video we'll choose 3D animation, then click on Flow to generate our visual image. Repeat this step to generate all visuals for your story. After that, click on Video Studio, then select the image created in the Image Studio for all line of text in the storyboard. Copy and paste text here to create each scenes for your animation. Repeat this step to create all scenes for your animation story. You can also select the voiceover you want for your animation story. Now let's preview the voiceover.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep within a dense forest, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was an ordinary girl with an extraordinary secret. She possessed supernatural powers. From the moment she was born, the villagers could sense there was something special about her.
It is crucial to add your personal touch and customize the generated animations. Adjust character movements. Click on Effect to add special effects to create a visually captivating image. Lastly, rendering and exporting. After customizing the animations, it's time to render and export your animated story video. Click on Export and wait for your video to be rendered. After rendering, open the video and click on Download. Select Download with CC for automatic captions. Congratulations! Your animated story video is now ready to be shared with the world.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep within a dense forest, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was an ordinary girl with an extraordinary secret. She possessed supernatural powers. From the moment she was born, the villagers could sense there was something special about her. Her crystal clear blue eyes held a hint of magic, and her presence exuded an aura of enchantment. Lily's powers began to manifest when she turned 7. It started with small occurrences like objects moving on their own, or lights flickering when she was upset or excited. At first, she was frightened.
Thank you for joining this tutorial on creating animated story videos using AI. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities of AI in your storytelling journey. Now, it's your turn to unleash your creativity and bring your stories to life with the magic of AI animation. Happy animating! Subscribe, like, and share.